OMG. Here's my order. And of course, syempre, galing yan sa aking favorite McDonald's stores. Yan. Ooh. It's a yum burger. And this is my chicken joy. Okay. I'm going to open this one. Okay. And ang hirap pala pag isa lang kamay. Yan. Wow. Oh. This is the gravy. Wait.
May load ka ng Smart ML10?
Hindi available. May nagpa-load kanina. Okay, this is my McDonald's. Right. So each one of them have gravy, and this one is the gravy. Okay, I'm going to get outside here. Alright, my chicken joy. Whoa, so yummy. Perfect for the family. My yum burger, my fried chicken, and the gravy. Ayan. That's my order from McDonald's. In-unbox ko lang ang aking order, guys. So, we're going to get ready for our dinner. I'm sure